Yeah, right there. Yeah. Just a little lower. Yeah. Oh. Welcome to Self-Care Saturday, friends. This is Mr. Hitachi, my personal masseur. Don't worry, it's just a back massager. No one get bent out of shape about it. It's really a single-use product and is quite limited by its plug-in capacity, but you know, does a great job of working out the knots in your neck, if you know what I mean. Today we are making a choose your own adventure cocktail, much in the same way you can choose your own adventure with Mr. Hitachi. We are giving you the option today of picking your base spirit. So we are basically doing a sour, so depending what kind of base spirit you choose to use, we're doing that kind of sour. So I am doing a mezcal sour. I'm going to be using our lovely little rhubarb syrup that I showed you how to make earlier. Beautiful bright pink hue on that. Lemon juice, egg white, my favorite friend or not so favorite friend as the case may be. And I'm going to need some ice. That's what I'm missing here. And of course we're using fresh lemon. I think I mentioned that. Mr. Hitachi's really in the way. Oh, turned it on. Things tend to get turned on around Mr. Hitachi. So we're gonna start with a dry shake. So I'm gonna do 1 ounce of everything. So we'll start off with 1 ounce of our freshly squeezed lemon juice. I hope you're all enjoying Self-Care Saturday. Taking care of yourself. I read a list of 151 ideas for self-care yesterday. Just, you know, looking for inspiration wherever I can find it for this particular episode of the show. And several of the options were fantastic, like take an aquafit class, listen to a podcast, start a podcast, read your favorite blog. If only you had a favorite blog. Start a blog. Don't do that. I don't need any more competition. 1 ounce of our rhubarb syrup. Walk around your house naked. That's just not self-care. That's just what I do all the time, every day. I'm gonna do, instead of an equal ounce, I'm gonna do 1.5 ounces of mezcal, just for funsies. Of course, if you didn't have rhubarb syrup, would encourage you to try it out with a different tart fruit-based syrup, something like raspberry syrup like we used for the very popular Clover Club. That would be a great option. But just kind of play around with it. The whole reason I'm doing this is because I want you to see the versatility of making cocktails and how easy it is. So this is a very basic formula, sweet, sour, spirited, and of course, a lovely velvety mouthfeel that we're gonna get from the egg white. We haven't done an egg white cocktail in a while, and I know that some of you just absolutely love them. So remember, if you're making egg white cocktails and you're making more than one, just make one at a time. Do not try to combine 2 drinks in one. We're gonna start with a dry shake, living ever dangerously. Oh, it's already getting squirrely on me. Yeah, that's good. It's like bursting at the seams. Now for the wet shake. It smells delicious. The rhubarb syrup is amazing. It's going to be such a beautiful color. All right, I know that you guys love a pretty pink cocktail, so hopefully you are delighted by this little treat we have here. And very cool garnish I'm going to show you in a second. So with my whole rhubarb stalks, I took a vegetable peeler along the full length of the rhubarb stalk and created a bunch of these little rhubarb ribbons. So I'm gonna choose one that looks very nice, has a good structural component. I'm just gonna cut off the little stringy bit at the end. We're just gonna artfully place it on top of the drink. Hopefully it won't sink. Not quite working the way I'd like, but that's pretty good. There we have our mezcal rhubarb sour. Wow, that is so good. I'm very pleased with this concoction. If I try it out with different base spirits, this would work great with gin. It would work great even with a white rum, sort of like a spin on a daiquiri, but with rhubarb and lemon instead of the lime and the regular simple syrup. I think you could also do it with vodka, tequila. I would reach for the white spirit and unaged spirit in this. You could of course do it with a rye or whiskey, do a whiskey sour, but with your rhubarb and egg white. So lots of amazing options. So there you have it. I hope you stay relaxed, my friends. I'm gonna see what else I can do with Mr. Hitachi for Self-Care Saturday. See you on Tuesday.